birthday we're doing is March 7th, 1980. It's for the YouTube. This is for the Instagram. So you got a lot of water in this particular birthday, but the water is not all the same water. You got two distinct waters. You got light water, you got dark water. You have Pisces in your sun, of course, but you have Scorpio in your moon, which means when you're in a good mood, you're on the light side of things. When you're in a bad mood, you're on the dark side of things. So you switch very easily into a good space to a bad space, all right? Which can make you on one side very loving, very giving, very helpful, very kind, very pleasant to be around, very empathic, very helpful, all right? Very insightful, very enlightened, right? Premonitions, all those type of things. But you also have the dark side of you when you get triggered, so be very vindictive, harbor a lot of hate, harboring a lot of jealousy, harboring a lot of negative, feelings and emotions about other people, holding on to grudges, things like that. But it also makes you very sensitive to the dark energies, to the dark side. So those like on the Pisces side, you're very sensitive to the light, but you're on the Scorpio side, you are definitely sensitive to seeing dark spirits, dark energies, demons, and things like that. Okay, which also can make you on one side want to do the manifestation, which today is a manifestation day, and you're born on a manifestation number. So, well, you're born actually on a ritual day. Manifestation because it's the 7, but it's a ritual because it's 7 of spades. That gives you the ritual is that the dark side. Doesn't mean good or bad, right? It's just the dark side of things, which is magic, basically. Manifestation's attracting, while magic is taking. It's taking, right? So, and sometimes we do need to take things. So you have to just be mindful of balancing those two sides of you. And you do have a lot of Virgo, which will help you a lot. So that's very good, because the Virgo is like the Gemini. It has split personalities, but the Virgo has their split personalities under control usually. And since you have a lot of Virgo, plus it's in your Lilith, that means that if the Lilith means it's going to support you, you should actually do pretty well managing and controlling that light and those dark sides. Which also means that anyone who knows you, the easiest way to tell if you're on the light side or the dark side is how you were dressed or what kind of makeup you have on at that time. That'll or how your hair is. That'll indicate, which person are we dealing with right now. And you are meant to master your Leo, which also, so with that Leo energy, that's that king or that queen energy. Essentially, that means becoming the master of both the light and the dark, which is in warlocks. Okay, being the king of those. So learning to master both of those energy, both of those sides, and elevate it to its highest, potential. And you will have plenty of practice because you're a 3 of spades as well, which means you will be diving into many different types of practices, religious backgrounds, spiritual backgrounds, techniques and strategies. So continue to dive into all different techniques and you will become a master. And you will become, the king or the queen amongst the witches, the warlocks, the priests and the priestesses. And that is the birthday energy for March 7, 1980. Ashe.